Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can speed up your Microsoft Edge and its downloading speed. And for this we will first open the Microsoft Edge in your PC. So first open your Microsoft Edge. After you open your Microsoft Edge, you have to go to right side on a three dot menu button and click on it. And here you will have to click on the extensions. After click on extensions, you have to go to manage extensions option. Here you will see different extensions. You have to remove them. I have disabled, but you have to remove all of them, and you should not use any of the extension for speeding up your Microsoft Edge. After this, you have to go to again three dot menu button and go to the settings of Microsoft Edge. After you go to Microsoft Edge settings, you have to go to the start home and new tabs option. Here on the right side, you have to click on open this pages option. The third option, you have to click on it. After you click on this, you have to add a new page here. You have to add a new page here, www.google.com. Then you have to click on add. After you add this page, you can see whenever you open your Microsoft Edge, the page will directly open to google.com. I am showing you. Here you can see that page is directly open to google.com. Again, you have to go to right side on the three dot menu button and click on it and go to settings. After you go to settings, here you will see option on the left side, cookies and site permissions. You have to click on it. After you click on it, you will see on the right side location, camera, microphone and different option. You have to go to particular option and enable the setting ask before accessing. You do not have to give the direct permission to any of these camera, microphone or location to any of the site. You have to set it to ask first option. After you set this setting, you have to open a new tab. Then you will type here edge:/flags. After you type this, you have to press enter here. This will open here. You have to type here parallel downloads. I am typing here downloads. After you type this, you will be able to see an option called parallel downloading. After you see the parallel downloading option here, it will be set on default by default, so you have to enable it. After you enable it, you have to click on restart below. Then you have to close the Microsoft Edge. I hope your Microsoft Edge speed is increased and your download speed is also increased. Thanks for watching this video.